Yes, I can hear you.
Second class is the seminar, right?
Now I can hear everyone. So shall we go to the next topic, dear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anthony Joel, can you tell me some important vitamins? 5 major vitamins name. Can you tell me?
Vitamin A,
Mhm.
vitamin A,
Mm.
vitamin C,
Yes.
vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E,
Mm.
then vitamin B complex.
B complex. Okay. Okay. Angeline Relix, can you tell me some of the B complex vitamins?
Ma'am, green
B
leaves,
complex. B.
fruits,
Okay. Fruits.
vegetables,
Okay. Fruits. Can you tell me one of the fruit which has got a vitamin B?
apple,
Okay. Fine. Krishna, can you tell me one of the fruit which contain vitamin C? One of the fruit which contain vitamin C. Can you tell me?
You were going to teach that?
I think she unmuting problem. A friend, can you give me some example of a fruit which gives you vitamin C?
ma'am, orange,
Oh yeah, orange. Okay, Fida, can you give me what do you mean by citrus fruits? Citrus fruits. What do you mean by that word? Citrus fruits. Fida. Oh, here. Nandita, you can tell me what do you mean by citrus fruits? Which are the fruits we call the name citrus? Nandita, do you know?
Ma'am, she has some audio problem.
Okay. Then I'm Sri, you can tell me which
Ma'am,
are the
papaya.
fruits? Not only papaya. Citrus fruits, not papaya.
Ma'am,
Citrus
guava.
fruits. Ah?
Guava.
It's not a citrus fruit.
dragon fruit,
Lemon.
Lemon.
ma'am,
Lemon. All
fruits which have citrus acid in them.
citric acid, not citrus acid, citric acid. In order to understand whether the food contains citric acid or not, we have to see the taste of it. You know, lemon, orange, musambi. And all these
What is?
fruits are known as citrus fruits, correct?
Ma'am, they have
All
sour
these,
taste.
yeah, all these are having a sour taste. Mango
Ma'am, tomatoes.
and tomato. All these, the fruits and vegetables which have a sour taste. You can say that white gourd. White gourd. White gourd, what is that? Do you know? What you call kumblanga, that one. Okay.
Cucumber,
That
ma'am.
we call them ash god also. This kumbalam is, we call it as ash god. Okay. Ash god also. So that all have got a sour content. So all the fruits and vegetable which have a sour taste, that is known as citric acid. And you know some of the vegetables and just like kovakya, like you call for them bottle gourd.
Yes, ma'am.
Kovakya, we call them bottle gourd. So this bottle gourd also has little sour after getting ripened. Okay. So all these are not citrus fruits. Okay, fine. Danai Krishna, can you give an example of vitamin A? Any
Carrot.
fruit? Carrot. Very good. Okay, fine. Pooja, can you give an example which contain vitamin D? Vitamin D. Pooja, if your network issue, you switch off the video and then give me answer. Afterwards, you switch on. Because some of you must be switching on audio. Your video goes. That means you have some network issue. So you switch off the video, give me answer, then switch on it. Yes? Pooja, are you listening me? Are you listening me? Okay, let her come back. Christo, give me the example of which fruit or vegetable which contain vitamin A. Christo, your video off, on, switch on the video. Yeah, give an example which contain vitamin A.
Ma'am, I joined less now.
This is what I taught you last class. Okay, not now. Can you give an
Leafy vegetable,
Vegetable. Which vegetable? Can you name some
Carrot.
vegetable? Carrot. Okay. Then vitamin D, Christo. Some fruit or vegetable which contain vitamin D. Not only fruit or vegetable. You can talk about non-veg also. Vitamin D.
Milk.
Milk. Milk. Okay. So milk, fish, because vitamin D means calcium. All this matti. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, children. So how many vitamins we have studied so far?
Ma'am, till vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
C, ma'am, vitamin D.
Vitamin D also we studied. Okay, good. Now,
No, ma'am. Vitamin
Felix
No, ma'am. We did
Nigel?
not study vitamin D. We studied, ma'am.
Felix,
C.
can you give me what is the use of?
A and C, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, fine. Heard you. Now, Felix Nigel, can you tell me the use of vitamin A in our body? Use of vitamin A in our body. Can you tell me? I have given vitamin A is helps in so and so thing. Felix
Ma'am,
Nigel.
Ma'am, can I say?
No. I'll give you a chance. Wait. Felix, do you know the answer? If you don't know the answer, say ma'am no, so that I can pass it over. No answer from Felix. Okay, Prinova, you tell me what is the use of vitamin A in our body? Yes, Prinova, are you saying? I can't hear you. Okay, fine.
Can I friend say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Friend.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I friend say?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Can you tell?
Fia, my dear, Efren, I asked you one question. I asked you to Efren. Fia, my dear, what's the example of
Yes,
vitamin
ma'am.
A? Use of vitamin A.
Ma'am, vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy.
Okay, very good. Royce, do you know what is the use of vitamin C in our body? What's the function of vitamin C in our body? So nowadays, COVID, we are asking you to have vitamin C every now and then. What do you mean by that? Why we are saying to have vitamin C, fruits and vegetables every day because of the COVID-19?
Ma'am, immunity.
Yes, it will increase the immunity system, or it will helps to body to fight against many diseases. Okay. Have you done this vitamin D, children? Have you written this vitamin
No,
D?
ma'am. Only vitamin A and vitamin C.
Okay, so now today's date you can put 07/07/21 and you write the first point of today's class. We are talking about vitamin D. So you can write which I underlined, right? Exactly like that. Vitamin D means it helps our body to use calcium. It helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. So vitamin D is very important for our body to make our bones strong, our teeth strong. So we should have a vitamin D. Why it is so important? Because it contains a mineral which is known as calcium. It contains a mineral which is known as calcium. If your calcium is less in your body, then your bones may not grow. You become little bit like, you know, the people, those
Can
who...
we write this one? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yeah, please
Ma'am,
write.
like Guinness Pakru.
Like Guinness Pakru. Yeah, Guinness Pakru and all, they have a problem with this vitamin. It's not enough for their body. So that's why whenever you are in mother's womb, when your mother is pregnant with you, then naturally your mothers will have lots of milk, lots of eggs, fish like sardine. Sardine means matti. Then we have all the river fish. So all this river fish contain lots of calcium, and that is vitamin
Ma'am,
D.
then so many fruits also, right?
Yeah, so many fruits. Because it should be rich with the calcium. So main component of vitamin C, vitamin D is calcium. So those who write vitamin D, you can write the example over here. River fish, milk. Then sunlight. Sunlight, not the afternoon sunlight, early sunlight and before sunset, evening sunlight. River fish, milk, sunlight. Then we have some what you call for pulses. Some of the pulses contain. 1 minute, children, just come.
Fruits.
And fruits.
Ma'am is God. Ma'am took off her headphones.
Okay, children, did you complete?
And fruit.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Completed. And fruits.
Okay. Fruits means not all the fruits. Some of the fruits only we will have vitamin D. Okay.
Orange.
Not orange. Orange
River
has
fish, milk, sunlight,
vitamin
and all.
C.
Vitamin C example, ma'am.
Vitamin C examples you did not write in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
And we wrote
Ah,
guava, tomatoes, papayas, and strawberries.
all that. Egg.
Bell pepper, strawberries.
That's one. That's one. So now you can write river fish, milk, sunlight, egg, then liver. Liver of goat. Very good. Liver bones of the goat. Okay.
Ma'am, in buffaloes and all.
Buffaloes also
Ma'am,
liver is
can
good.
we write goat liver?
Yes, you can write goat liver. Goat liver, egg, fish. Then all the milk products. Milk products means butter, cheese, ghee.
Ghee.
All these contain or buttermilk. All this we contain the vitamin D very much. Okay. So instead of having the big fishes, it is good to have river fish like small fishes, like matti, like we'll get a small white thing,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
small thing and all that. All we are.
Ma'am is not toiling.
Nattoli, kilimin. So many fishes available in Kerala river. All these fish is not available in North Indian rivers. They will have other type of. But in Kerala is rich with all type of river fish. We only will get more river fish. Okay, then shellfish, not selfish, shell. Okay, don't write selfish. Shellfish. Kakka, other than kakka, shellfish. Kundal. Have you know what do you mean by kundal?
Yes, ma'am. Squid. Yes, ma'am. We know.
Yes.
Squid. I have heard it. I don't know.
So then it is very rich in. It's nice. Means a
Yes, ma'am. I like that.
yeah, like this you can make like a
name
chicken curry and all.
prawns.
So prawns are not much good. Okay, actually this is good.
What is the
Ma'am, squid also having vitamin D.
Yes, skid. You can write skid. Yeah, kundal we call it them skids, etc. Enough. At least 5 to 6 you know it.
I finished.
Skid എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കൂന്തലിന് skid. Malayalam കൂന്തൽ we call it the skids. Okay. Skid അല്ല.
Ma'am, he is
SKID.
asking about the pronunciation.
Skid. Is. If you say kid, kid means child. Skid means this thing. Skid.
It will tell skid.
Skid no. Skid. Okay, skid varada. Skid. Don't give much force to the word D. Okay, skid.
Right. Skid, ma'am.
Yes.
is not definition, is there?
Pardon?
Ma'am, vitamin K, E, B complex.
That and all don't write now. You only write vitamin D. We are going to study one by one. Now we are only discussing with the vitamin D, correct? Yes.
Ma'am, vitamin D.
And what is the function of vitamin D? Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and
Calcium
teeth.
for bones.
For bones and
You
teeth.
can write.
And teeth.
It is also good for. It is also good for. You can write after that. After writing example, it is also good for. Okay, I will write on the top. It is also good for. It is also good for proper growth. Proper growth of
Ma'am,
body
which one?
organs. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. We can add this point also. It is also good for proper growth of body organs.
Read the examples.
Vitamin D only I am talking about. We did not complete vitamin D. After example, you can write this one more point. It is also good for proper growth of body organs. Or body organs means legs, eyes, all that, entire body. Because all these contain muscles and bones, correct? Every part of our organ, every organ of our body contain bones, muscles, everything.
Sunlight is good for us.
Vitamin D. If you go and stand early sunrise and evening sun, not after 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Up to 9, okay. After 9 o'clock, you don't get vitamin D. You will get ultraviolet radiations. Okay, that's not good. Early sunlight means between 5:30 and 7:30 is the best time. The sun is, yeah, 6 o'clock. The sun is just coming. Yeah, that is we call.
light.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. That is vitamin D. So what you do? How to get vitamin D? That's why the people, the farmers, they early hours they go and work. Before you get up, suppose your father is a farmer. Before you get up, they get up by 5 o'clock. They go to the field to work up to 8 to 9. Afterwards, they stop the work and they'll come. Some of them. Others will continue if there is work is there. That is the why farmers are very strong. Very stronger than any other workers, actually, farmers, because they do the work early in the morning and the evening, actually. So they are getting how much work they do. They will dig, they will plant, so much work they do. But you see, if your grandfather or grandmother is living for a long time, if they are a farmer, if they are farmers, naturally they will grow for many years because their body, they will get enough sufficient vitamin D. And sometimes the doctors, sometimes a baby is born, sometimes the baby's body may have yellow color, just like a jaundice. So we cannot give any antibiotics to newborn baby, correct? So what the doctor say, early morning, take the baby and hold it in the early sunlight. Have you seen your brother or anyone has taken by your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunlight?
My neighbor.
My neighbor. So the reason is that what? That newborn baby may not have enough sufficient vitamin D. To get vitamin D only, the skin color will change. If you don't have a proper vitamin D, naturally the skin may also have problem. So that is the deficiency of vitamin D. So those, they will take the newborn baby. Doctor will say that take it to the sunlight early morning, half an hour, and evening sunlight. We don't take the baby in 12 o'clock noon. Okay, that's different. And have you seen about the incubator where we keep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sometimes if your premature baby means usually your mother is giving birth after 9 months. Suppose you are a premature baby, maybe before 9 months you are born. So naturally these babies have some kind of problem with the growth. And so what the doctor does, suppose a baby is born on 7th month of pregnancy of mother, then that baby may not grow fully. So what the doctor do, nearly 2 weeks, they take the baby and keep it in an incubator where they switch on one particular light and baby will be lying on that. Have you at least heard about it? Yes.
Ma'am, I have heard, ma'am. But how they
Maybe.
can grow?
Ask, maybe some of you must have, your mother must have struggled a lot to bring you up properly.
Yes, ma'am,
Ask
I
some
have
of you
heard.
mothers. Yeah. Maybe not only you, maybe your neighbors or relatives have this kind of issues, premature kids. So this is thing with what is the importance of vitamin D in our body. Nowadays, what is happening? These 2 years, you all are sitting at home. So there is some problem with your deficiency in problem. You may get the back pain, you may get the bone. So when you play in the evening in your house or something outside, that's why we are telling to go outdoor and play. It is not only for playing. While you play, you are naturally you are exposed to the sunlight in the evening after 4 o'clock and all. So while you play, your body is taking it. Body is grabbing lot of vitamin D. So that's very important. Even you are in, it is a second year of online. So it's very difficult for you. You hardly go to the sunlight. Yeah. So see that after you finish this class 5:30, just go out. At least those are staying in flats, just go on the top of your terrace, just stand over there, little walk there. So that's why it will be very good to nourish your body. Yeah. So that's the importance of vitamin D in our life. So vitamin C and vitamin D. Clear? Okay. I think there is no doubt about it. Yes. So now shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes, Ayush. Seminar will be second period. Do you have? You have second period, no? Today. Are you ready for it?
Ma'am, Abhimanyu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhimanyu. Ayush, did I give you the topic for you?
Yes, for this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, for this chapter we don't do now because this is after I
No,
complete.
this chapter.
Previous chapter, okay. After completion of this chapter only, those who have got the seminar, okay.
Ma'am, Abhimanyu did not do the chapter 1.
Only Abhimanyu only how to complete.
Ma'am,
Abhimanyu has left.
ma'am, this chapter we should do today.
No. This chapter is after I completing the chapter. Okay, okay, dear. Fine. Let us go to the next one.
It's vitamin K, right?
Yes. Let me check. Okay, just we write vitamin A. Next one, next point, vitamin A. Yes. So write the heading. Next point, what you study today is vitamin K.
Ma'am, can you make it bigger?
Okay, it's not so much clear the writing, so I will tell you what to write. Okay, clear? Vitamin K is a group of structurally similar fat-soluble vitamins. So you should understand what do you mean by soluble and unsoluble. Some of the vitamins are diluted in the water while you have it in the food. Some of them may not digest easily in the water. Like lemon juice and all, easy when you add in the water, it get diluted, you drink the lemon juice. Some of the vitamins rich food may not be like that. Like apple and all, sometimes we have to have, without making juices, better you have it. Then pomegranate. This and all, instead of having the juice, it is better you have exactly like that. Okay. Why I'm saying that? In pomegranate, there are seeds. There are seeds. Sometimes you make juice, the seed, you have to overthrow it. So you should not throw the seeds. You have to eat exactly like that. And guava. All this you have to have a raw one. Like, okay, that not making juice. Even juice is available. It's not much rich in that particular vitamin. So some of the things it is better you have it without making the juices. Like lemon and orange, you make it as a juice, you will get all the vitamins over there, but other things which is little raw. So it is fat soluble vitamins means, the fat oily things. Okay. So it can also solve the fat in your body. Vitamin K can also fat also can be digested or diluted by these vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins that the human body requires for complete synthesis of certain proteins and for blood coagulation. I'll tell you what is all this means, okay? Which the body also needs for controlling and binding of calcium in bones and other tissue. So that means vitamin K is a little more internal vitamin which we require for so many things. So first you will tell vitamin K. So you can write, I'll give you, don't write what is in the slide. I will make it too simple for you because you are learning in your own words. Complete synthesis of certain proteins. Complete synthesis of certain proteins means vitamin K will helps to digest the proteins. That's the meaning of it. And for blood coagulation. Blood coagulation means you see some of our body, some people have a internal bleeding. Yeah, continuous bleeding. Some people have a blood clotting. Blood clotting means as you walk, maybe blood circulation is not proper. So naturally, you get a leg pain, your back pain, all this. So that is because there's no proper blood flowing in your body. So vitamin K helps for all these problems. Clear? So you write what I am writing on the board. Okay. Afterwards, I will show you the slide little bigger. First you write. Vitamin K helps to digest fats and proteins.
And we can write it.
Yes, you can write now. Vitamin K. What is the function of vitamin K? It helps to digest fats and proteins in our body. Then second point, helps in preventing blood clotting and bleeding. Sometimes a baby is born. If your baby has born due to some problem, baby started bleeding. Okay, so these are some problems. So bleeding in newborn babies. Not only newborn, sometimes the people also will have some problem like hemorrhage, like that, internal bleeding and all. So it will help to prevent all that. And it's very important. So it is also used for, you can learn this one word, used for blood coagulation. Say the word, children, coagulation. Coagulation. That is the part of a endocirculate blood related problem. Coagulation. Okay. Coagulation. Yeah. Coagulation. And it is also, so it has very good, and also it will produce bacteria. It will produce bacteria which are killed by using antibiotics. See, some of the sick people like cancer, sugar, diabetic patients, all these people may take some antibiotics. So this antibiotics has some side effect. That's why we are telling don't take antibiotic. But doctor also, for a fever, first they will give you paracetamol. Afterwards only they will give you. Suppose your fever did not go, they will give you antibiotics. Antibiotics we use at extreme cases where your sickness is not curing properly. But when these antibiotics are used, there's a side effect, negative side effect. It will kill some of the bacteria which is helping our body to digest, or some of the bacteria which helping to body to give you immunity. Okay, to boost your immunity. There are some bacteria in your mouth. There is a bacteria. In your mouth, there is bacteria. In your stomach, there is bacteria. Some of the bacteria which is good for our health. Clear?
Ma'am,
So, yes.
in our mouth, the cheeks, under the cheeks, there are so many bacteria, right?
Yes,
Inside
yes,
the
yes. But even that bacteria is help us to digest the food with the saliva. But you should have what you call. You should brush your teeth twice, but because of this presence of bacteria, you have to brush teeth minimum in the morning and before you go to sleep. What happened? If you don't brush teeth properly, this bacteria may work with your digested food which is in your mouth. Okay, it will work with the digested food which is because when once yeah, if you don't brush properly, some of these particles like chicken particles, some of this potato and all, some kind of fiber and all remain in your teeth. So if you don't use, 1 minute, let me some other students are entering. I can see the sound of it.
ma'am, so cavity will come.
Yeah, cavity will come. So this bacteria will work with this food particles and it may produce some acid in your mouth. That is why the smell is come in the morning. Once you get up, they will tell you, go and brush your teeth. The reason is that that bacteria is working with the dust food particles which is in your teeth. It will convert it into some kind of acid and it gives you a smell, foul smell. Clear?
We did not brush also in our
Yes.
teeth some holes and all will come,
Sometimes
right?
when you have snacks and all, it will stick to your teeth. Okay, all that. Fine, children. Okay, fine. So now example you can write what I'm showing. I think you have completed this. So now example you see cabbage. You can write cabbage. This is cabbage, lettuce, avocado.
Ma'am, fruits and vegetable which is in green color.
Not all with all green in color, but still some of them. Okay. And you see green apple, not the red apple. Green apple, cucumber. This is cucumber. You can see that. Then it is the I think green lemon. Green lemon. Everything.
Included in vitamin K.
Yes. See, majority all the vegetables and fruits are included with all this. Green grapes are here. And this is what you call dragon fruit.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes, ma'am.
I have eaten.
This is avocado. This is our avocado. What I am writing?
Ma'am, kiwi.
Kiwi.
Dragon fruit I have eaten.
This is kiwi. You know broccoli.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is, I don't know, is it? Yeah, nutkol we call it. Nutkol, one vegetable. And this is beans.
Ma'am, like small cabbage, right?
Cabbage like. Yeah, small cabbage. Okay. Lettuce, all this. So, vitamin K is rich with all this green color fruits. Not red apple, green apple. So, all this green color is enriched with it. Clear? Okay, children, it is going to be time. Sorry, its time is over. Okay, so I'll take attendance for the next class. Dear, shall I?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. It's almost time up.
Thank you,
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Meet in the